The SmartHQ Service Customer Portal makes purchasing hardware and licenses easy. Once you're logged in, you may select either an annual or monthly subscription plan. Here, you will be able to select the number of subscriptions and modules you wish to purchase. You will also have the option to pay with a credit card or have the purchase billed to your appliance account number. For this example, we'll purchase 5 annual subscriptions and 5 Bluetooth modules using a credit card. Once the quantities are entered, click Submit and you will be directed to the payment page. Please note that there is a 10% discount when you purchase 5 or more subscriptions. Now, enter your credit card information and click Subscribe to complete the purchase. Let's go ahead and purchase one more subscription and Bluetooth module using our appliance account number. Once you've completed the application form, select the desired quantities, click Submit, and you're all set.